Damn, the sad moment where the GTI is officially only a weekend car.
It's a little sad, but it's all good. I get to enjoy the car a little more on the weekends.
So let's get going?
Wait, show them the cold start.
Oh, it's not supposed to sound like that. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, that's right, for sure. I knew the coils were already getting off, but it's all good. Let's go grab some new ones. We'll be fine, guys. First, we'll start by disconnecting all of the ignition coil connectors. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, and now that's all disconnected, let's go ahead and pop off the old ignition coils so we can replace them with these brand new A Premium ignition coils. As you guys can see, the old ones are looking a little crusty, and that's what a brand new one is supposed to look like. Out with the old and in with the new. Now let's connect them so we can start up the car and see if the misfire is gone. All right, moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Just like that.